Hi, I'm Alison Bailey Smith and I'm going to be joining in with Repair Week in Port Sunlight, which is going to show how you can reuse, repair and reimagine your waste products. So one of our biggest waste products in the UK, something that's very difficult to deal with, is clothing and textile waste. So I have lots of old scarves down here and other items of clothing that I'm going to use to create rag rugs, and I'm hoping you're going to come and join in. So for example, this lovely wool that matches my sweater is from my mother's estate, and it was a length of fabric, but it had moth holes in it. So although I loved the colour, I wouldn't have been able to make a garment with it. But I can cut it up into thin strips like this and use a tool that I've created from a dolly peg. So this is how it started. And this is how it finished, to create a tool that will help me make a rag rug. And a rag rug can be something like this. This feels amazing. This has been made by the community. It's not quite finished yet, but it's been made with lots of old school uniforms. So if you have school uniforms that have got stained or too small, you haven't got anyone to pass it on to, it's something you can do with it. You know, do something creative. So I'll just show you the technique. You use your little tool to make a hole. Poke the fabric in through that hole. So I've got half the fabric on the other side, which is actually the front. And then I'm going to count 1, 2, make another hole and poke the other piece of fabric through. So now both ends are on the other side of the fabric, just here. And these are other ones that I've done already. But the beauty of it is you don't have to use all the same fabric. So I have some of my dad's shirts in browns and greens, which will look quite nice with the yellow. And I'll just cut it down to the right size. So you can use clothing that has been stained or has rips in it that you can't repair. And then just combine it all together and suddenly it has a new life. So we will be doing this workshop and we will be providing all the materials. So there's hessian. We can reuse hessian from coffee shops, from coffee bags. We can use scarves. I'll have cut up fabric. I'll provide scissors. I'll provide tools. I'll even show you how to make your own tools. So please come and join us. We'd love to see you between the 3rd and the 9th of March. And my workshop will be on the 8th of March. And I'll be showing you how to reuse your textile waste products into something that's creative and unique to yourself, and you'll be able to take what you've created away at the end of the event. We can maybe even provide you with a dolly peg so you can make your own tool and you can take it home. See you then.